Everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I do just want to quickly clarify before we get started. I'm probably going to be filming with this background for right now. Basically, I just put the computer slash camera on my bed as opposed to on my desk. I like the way that the lighting looks a lot better from this direction, and I don't know, I like the background a lot more. So I am going to be doing this, and I'm probably going to be going back to using my iMovie camera while I'm here at school, just because like I have the other camera with me, not the really good one, but the one that has like a little bit of like a yellowish tint to it, and this film is really grainy. I do have that one with me, but I can't figure out a good way to set it up. And I know that the iMovie camera is pretty consistent for me, and so it's just easier for me, I think, to film here when I'm at school, to film on the iMovie camera and film with this background. So this is what you're going to be seeing while I'm here at school. When I get back home, I'll be using the better camera and, of course, the normal setup that I have for when I'm in my room. So today's video is going to be my February Boxycharm unboxing, and I'm going to be kind of real with you guys. So I found, like, I'm part of a group on Facebook called, I think it's Boxycharm subscribers or something. It's like this really large group of people that pretty much all we do is talk about Boxycharm, and we'll sell like unused makeup and that type of stuff. And they told me like a hack pretty much to figure out what's in my box before I know it, and I'm like a really curious person, so of course that's what I did. So you can use the weight when you get your shipping information. You can find the weight of the box and look that up in like a search bar online, and it'll show you most likely what your variation is. So I have an idea based on what the weight of my box was of what my variation is supposed to be. If it's not that, fantastic, glorious. But if it is that, I'm gonna be real, I'm not overly excited. Like, of all the Boxycharms I've gotten since August, if my variation is correct, this isn't going to be my favorite box. This will probably be my least favorite box, actually. So there's one item that was in the spoiler alert that I really want, and if the weight that I got is correct, I don't have that product with me, and that's kind of a bummer. So, but I still, like, there are definitely products supposedly in this box that I am excited about. It's just not going to be my favorite, so I'm kind of going into it with relatively low expectations, but I'm still going to unbox everything for you, and we'll talk about it, and maybe I'll do like little reviews in the description bar and all that good stuff. So if you like Boxycharm unboxings, if you have a Boxycharm, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. I really appreciate all the subscribers and the interaction that I get, and if you don't already, you should totally follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Those are linked down below in the description, and feel free to email me. I also have my email in there if you have like any questions or anything like that. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into the unboxing. So of course this is the size of the normal Boxycharm. I've already opened it so that I don't have to deal with that. And actually there are a few things different in this than the spoiler alert showed me. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump right in. So first thing I'm noticing, and this is something that I'm seeing a lot actually right now, is that they haven't, in this month's box, put the like normal like foam wrap that they have, and there's also no card in here about any of the information, so I don't know what that's about, but this is what the box looks like. So I'm just going to tell you guys right off the bat, the item that I really wanted was the iconic London neutral palette that everyone's getting in the box. On my beauty quiz, I said that I love eyeshadows, and so I've been getting eyeshadow palettes in like all of the boxes, and this was like the first eyeshadow palette that's been in a box that I've like really wanted. And of course this is the one where I don't get an eyeshadow palette, so definitely a little bummed about that, for sure. But there are some stuff from brands that I haven't tried in here, and brands I have tried and know that I like, so it's still a good box. Like, let me just put that out there right now, it's still a good box. It's definitely just, it's not my favorite. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is the biggest item, and this is the Luxie Complete Sponge Set. So it looks like this. You have a baking brush, a contouring brush, and a little detail brush. So I don't think I have any, or not brush, sponge. I don't think I have any Luxie sponges. I do have some sponges, and I have Luxie brushes, but I don't think I've ever tried any of their sponges. I don't see myself using, I don't know, I don't see myself using these a whole lot because I have like one sponge that I'm pretty loyal to, and I don't bake, and I don't like have a cream contour. I've been wanting to get one, so like maybe I'll get use out of this. And as for detail sponges, I don't know. I could use this for like concealer. Um, it's a really cool set, and for people who like sponges, this is awesome. I don't see myself getting a whole lot of use out of this guy. So it says that we have the Luxie Detail Blender, the Luxie Precision Blender, and the Luxie Powder Blender is what this is. So detail, precision, and powder, I guess. So yeah, it's a really cool product. I don't know how much use I'm gonna get out of it, but I never know. You never know until you try. So, so that is the first item. This next one is probably the one that I'm most excited about. This is the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads to exfoliate, tone, and brighten. I don't think I've ever actually tried anything from First Aid Beauty, or if I have, it's been like a little miniature that I got in like an Ipsy. But I've heard so much about this brand, and I'm really excited to finally have a full size of something from them. I've heard that these pads are really, really good, and I am excited to try these for sure. So it is alcohol free, and so you're supposed to wipe your pad across your face, neck, and décolleté once or twice daily after cleansing. And I actually saw someone in this Facebook group talk about how in order to get more use out of it, you can actually cut them in half and use half per every time you wash. So, and I think that is really, really cool. You'll get more use out of them that way. So I think I'm probably going to do that, and I am excited about this product. I'm happy that I got this. And so, like I said, this is from First Aid Beauty, and I'm excited to try these out. So next is another product from a brand that I've never tried. The packaging is actually a little dirty, which is a little weird. This is the Kate Sommerville Active Concentrates Bio-mimicking Peptide Smooth and Firm Serum. So this is what it looks like. I've never tried anything from Kate Sommerville, so this is pretty cool. I think this was one of the choice options for the month. I didn't realize that they changed the way that they do choice. Instead of getting an email and choosing from your email, you get you have to follow like their pages and stuff like that, and it'll notify you about when choice opens. So I did do my choice for March, and I'm pretty excited about that one. But this was one of the choices for February that I didn't know I got to choose, and I wish I had known that because the palette was one of the other choice options, and I totally would have chosen that if I had known that they had changed their system of how they do choice. But missed opportunity. So this is what the serum looks like. I only have one serum. Oh, okay, so it's like a clear yellow serum. I'm just gonna drip it on the back of my hand. So it's bio-mimicking peptides for smoothing and firming, and I definitely like the whole firming idea of it. It's very like watery, but it feels super smooth on the skin. I'll be interested to see how this firms. I'll probably use this to, oh, it's getting tacky. Yeah, I'll probably try that out tonight, and I'm interested to see what it does. Like I said, I've never tried Kate Sommerville before. I feel like I haven't heard a whole lot about Kate Sommerville in a long time, so I don't know. I'm curious about this. So it says, apply 1 to 2 drops to cleanse skin, use alone or with other KX active concentrates, or layer with serums and moisturizers. And it says you can use it in the morning or the evening. So I'll probably reserve this for like an evening thing because I have another serum that I use in the morning, and so I'll probably use this in the evening when I go to bed. Yeah, I'm curious about it. So next we have the Evioskin Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. So I've never used hemp products, and I haven't gotten on the whole hemp train yet about like using hemp in different products. It's just, I don't know, it's just never something that I've been like overly interested in. But now that I have them, I'm definitely going to try them. So gently massage a single skin refreshing cleansing wipe over face in a circular motion, taking care around the eyes, no need to rinse. It says follow with a rejuvenating mask or revitalizing serum 2 days a week. So it basically looks like it's just a pack of makeup wipes, and this is actually really good. I'm not going to try this right away. I actually just ran out of my travel size makeup wipes for like my travel toiletry bag, which has like, of course, like my toothbrush, toothpaste, all that. I had a Burt's Bees, like a little to-go pack of facial wipes, and I ran out of those. So this is probably going to go in there and replace it. So I'm not going to use this very often because I have my makeup eraser towel and my Neutrogena makeup wipes that I use on a daily basis or like semi-regular basis. I had the Equate ones over here. They're not good, but I bought them as a value pack a while ago, and so I'm trying to use those up. So this is going to go in my travel makeup bag, and that's probably when I'll get the most use out of these, but once I do use them, I can definitely like go back and edit the description and let you know my thoughts on these. Not overly excited about it, but they will get used. And the last item that we have in here is the Ciate London. So this is, I think, 2 months in a row that I've gotten something from Ciate London, which is totally fine with me. It is the coconut setting powder. So I already have a setting powder. Actually, I already have 2 setting powders that I'm pretty loyal to, which is the Becca Hydro Mist setting powder and the Bite Beauty setting powder. So one is a pressed powder and one is a loose powder. So, oh, okay, that's dangerous. The box was open a little bit. So this is what it looks like. This is a loose powder, so I'll definitely have to try this in comparison to the Becca one. So of course it has a little like blocker right there so that it doesn't come out. So it is a white powder, which concerns me a little bit. Like this is like stark white, like it looks like flour. Whereas the Becca one is a little more like skin tone neutral. This is stark white, which concerns me because I'm afraid it'll give me flashback. So I will definitely be trying this out and comparing it to the Becca Hydro Mist. I do like Ciate London, the blush that I got from Boxycharm last month. I've been really enjoying. It's been my everyday blush. I don't have it on today because I don't have like any blush on today. But I have been enjoying it, so this is a brand that I like and I'm familiar with, and I'm interested to try it, but I am a little concerned. Does it smell like coconut? It does smell a little bit like coconut, which I don't mind personally. I like the smell of coconut, I just don't like actual coconut. Yeah, I'm curious about this powder, so I will let you know my thoughts in the description. Maybe I'll use it sometime this week, and I'll let you guys know. So that is the entire Boxycharm box. Like I said, it is not my favorite box. There's some products in here that like I'm definitely curious to try, but overall I've liked other boxes better. So I don't know. I'm hoping that March will kind of step it up. This I know for the March box, my choice I'm very excited about. So I know there's going to be at least one box in my March box, or one product in my March box that I'm going to be really excited about. So this wasn't my favorite. I still really like Boxycharm, and I'm still really happy that I got the subscription, and this isn't going to change anything. It just hasn't been my favorite box so far. It's what it is. Everyone has one box that they don't like, I think, so what are you going to do? So that is everything that I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see all of you very soon in my next video. Bye, everybody.